And just a phenomenal aircraft. Again, can take huge amounts of punishment. But also, as anyone who's seen Masters of the Air will know, it was lethally dangerous too.
It was 1990, which makes me feel incredibly old.
I actually watched it again not very long ago. And I have to say, I thought it really held up. I think it's a terrific film.
It's a brilliant, amazing film. The Bombay doors open on Sally B there, just giving us a belly sign.
On the other hand, they are designed for slightly different roles. B-17 is predominantly a daylight bomber, which didn't make it home. It's always a payoff. I remember talking to a crew member, I think he was either the navigator or the bombardier, I can't remember. On a B-17 it was
Nellie B.
How can anyone say that's the ugly duck? Honestly, it's just fabulous, isn't it? A beast, but a beautiful beast.